What's up, guys? It's Raf in the Rafcave, and this is an unboxing of Nest, Google's answer to doorbell security. So, this is an unboxing video and a setup video of this new doorbell I just purchased from Best Buy. Thank you, Best Buy. Now, if you notice my previous videos, I installed a few Ring security devices. My time with the Ring was good. I had the doorbell Ring, the Pro, with the door chime, which acts as a Wi-Fi extender. And I also had the floodlight in the backyard. So, you know, it's nice to have the cameras, but, you know, it's an addicting thing, because you want to be able to see different areas of your house, what's going on outside. It becomes a large expense. So for me, to totally do the whole house, I would have to buy 2 more flood cams, another floodlight, and of course, we haven't even talked about the indoor cameras. So I had to say, you know what, is this going to be too crazy of an expense? And I say yes. So my time with Ring has passed. A big reason why is because now I've invested in Google smart displays. I have the Google Hub in the kitchen, and I now just purchased the Lenovo 10-inch Google Assistant screen, which is beautiful. My time with Google's display devices was this one and the JBL Google screen, and my time with the two, I want better screen than better sound. So if you're into video screens, you definitely want to go with the 10-inch here, because it is full HD and it's bright, colorful, and crisp. It looks gorgeous at all angles. So that right there is a must. Definitely a keeper. So now I wanted a doorbell that's able to notify me right away who is at the front door, either here, kitchen, and maybe in the future upstairs on the second level. So that way I don't have to take out my phone or look for my phone. I can just be like near the nearest screen, boom, there's a person at the door. I can touch the screen, talk to the person, or say go away, who knows, whatever, right? So I'm very, very, very excited for this one, because the Nest has some features that the Ring didn't have. The Nest has, I think, a much better screen quality. We're talking HDR, 30 frames a second with time lapse. I'm talking silky smooth scrolling back and forth in different parts of the day, and it's seamless. There's no like back to the previous activity. Oh, was that the right one? No, try another activity. Oh, was that the right one? No, no, no. With this one, you're scrolling through the app, and you actually see little thumbnails of every activity, and you're able to go to it right away and scroll back and forth throughout the time of that activity. Beautiful. So there is a subscription, of course. Nest has their yearly subscription. Ring had their yearly subscription. But the quality of what you're getting with the Nest is going to be, I think, definitely worthwhile. And I'm looking forward to getting new security cameras for indoor. Maybe not so much outdoor, but definitely indoor, because I want to be able to look at the Rafcave when I'm not home and be able to see what's going on upstairs, just in case. All right, long-winded intro. If you know me, I do intros before I get to the activity. Appreciate it. Welcome back if you're a regular customer of the Rafcave. If you're new, feel free to subscribe. I'm into home theater inspiration videos, showing you products that I get, trailer reactions, video game content, and all kinds of cool stuff. So appreciate it. Subscribe or like the video, comment below, or share if this is something that you have and if you're excited as I am to get this installed. So I'm excited. Let's get this unboxed, see what's inside, and then go through the step-by-step process of hooking it up. Let's go. So here it is, guys. Nest Hello, Google's answer to the Ring doorbell. There's the specs here. And the back. Know who's knocking. HDR video. Fantastic camera. HD talk and listen, personal alerts, and familiar face alerts. That's really great about Google, is you can hold facial features and respond to familiar faces or stranger faces. That's amazing. And you can also do like canned responses, talk live, and close them out. Oh, I can't wait to get this hooked up. Super excited. All right, guys, let's get this unboxed. Black pin. Okay. Yeah, if you only get one smart camera, guys, make it your doorbell. That's the most worthwhile camera to get. Because that's the most activity. Your front door has the most activity of your house. So that would be the one to get first. All right, let's pull this guy open. Ah, we have a sticker. Pro installation recommended. Pro installation recommended. Yes, I know it's recommended. But I'm pretty familiar with this since I've already installed the Ring doorbell. And this is not going to be a problem. There we go. Now, let's see. Inside groove right there. Very nice. Whoa! Here we go, guys. Boom. There is the CPU unit. Doorbell. We got the camera on top. We got the doorbell on the bottom with the LED light. On the back, we're going to have our two screws for the two wires coming out the door. And then you got your code there that you got to scan. Otherwise, yeah, we're good to go. I'm not sure what this guy is, but all right. And there's your speaker on the bottom. Nice. What other goodies do we have in here? Top plate off. Looks like we got some paperwork. Set up your Nest Hello with Nest app. Of course, you want to make sure you download the Nest app first on your smartphone, which would be iOS or Google. Make an account, get that all set up, and then you can continue with the installation. So I've got some wires to put in the doorbell, doorbell outside, a couple tools you're going to need. That's all the things that come with it in the box, so we'll get to that. Nest Pro. Yep, that's your probably installation or subscription. The sticker to put on your window, let people know what's up. And then limited warranty, of course. All right. All right, here we go. First order of business is the Nest Ring adapter. And this is what you put inside your doorbell cover and connect to your existing wires. So we'll get to that. Put that in there. Aha. So this is the angle. So if your doorbell is close to a wall and you want to point it more towards this way or one direction or the other, this is what you want. Very nice. Ring didn't give you that. And of course the actual plate to go on your house where the doorbell would snap onto. And there's a little tool that you can use to unlock it. So that's important. And inside the package, all the various screws and tools you need to get it installed. Oh, look at that. Whoa. There we go. It's got your drill bit if you have stucco or brick. You have two screw anchors that go inside the stucco or brick. You're going to have some wire extenders if you have to extend the wire coming out the wall. Got a couple of the screws for the doorbell itself, and then the unlock tool right there. Pretty simple. They didn't give you a screwdriver though. Dang, man, it's cheap. It's got to get your own screwdriver then. Get your own Phillips. All right, guys, there is the unboxing of Google Nest Doorbell. All right, we'll go through step by step, get this hooked up, and get us going and secure our front door. All right, guys, see you in a little bit. Okay, guys, so here's my doorbell. I only have 2 screws, so that's easy. So when I get the app loaded, it's going to ask me if I have 3 screws or 2 screws. So basically, I just want to connect those 2 wires, insert them into these 2 holes here, and then connect these 2 hooks. Right, these 2 hook wires right into both of the screws. And then I'll just tuck this in on the side, just like that. All right, I'm going to get this installed for you. Be right back. Okay, guys, so I got the Nest installed on the side. I have the 2 existing cables hooked up to both ports. And then I have the 2 hooks from that device into both screws. So I got them both tight. Tucked in all the wires so they're not touching the doorbell as it moves. So we're good to go here. I can put the cover back on when I'm done. So right now I'm going to go outside and install the doorbell outside. Alright guys, so I have it installed now. Looks great. And on the app itself, there I am. Nest, working great, love it. How you doing? Hey, what's up? I'm loving the quality of this camera. It's so much better than Ring so far. Love it. And I love the history, how you can scroll up and down to see the previous. Oh, just awesome. Alright guys, so anyway, it's cold out here. It's hooked up and I love it. Okay guys, before I wrap this video up, I know I didn't show a lot of footage on the app while installing it because, you know, it's cold outside and I just want to be outside that much. But basically, when you go through the Nest app, it walks you through the installation steps very easily, step by step. Actually, a little easier than the Ring installation. So, guys, just you shouldn't have to worry about it. It's super simple, guys. Super simple install. All right, so if you tap the Nest app, it'll show you your front door just like that, a live view. I don't even have to press on it or press live view like the Ring. It's automatically going to be live, which is amazing. So it's in night vision right now. It looks much clearer than the Ring. The sound is better, the frame rate is better, the zoom feature is better, and I love how it's more of a vertical screen. See that? It's more of a vertical screen, not as much horizontal. I like that because when people walk up to the door, they're taller, you know, so I want to see the entire face all the way down past their kneecaps. I want to see it all. So that's why this is a much better doorbell so far. So I like that. You can tap the microphone if you want to talk. You press upward. And then it shows the events. So 18 events already since I've installed it. You can do quiet time or you can talk. So right now, when you install it for the first time, you don't get the subscription. The Nest Aware subscription is $50 a year for 5-day recording, 24/7. So as I scroll back, you know, instead of thumbnails, they're actually going to be videos. These are all going to be live videos as soon as I subscribe. So the Nest Aware subscription, I'm definitely going to add. So that's going to be a huge plus. Then I can do like the day to night transition. It's going to be sweet. All right, guys. So that's the app. Very brilliant. So moving on to the Lenovo Smart Display. So basically, when someone rings the doorbell, it's going to automatically go to the live view on the screen, which is awesome. And if I want to see the a live view of the front door, I just go, "Hey Google, show me the front door."
You got it.
But maybe...
Okay, streaming the front door on Lenovo display.
Boom. There you go, guys. Front door. Loud and clear. Live view, just like that. Now that is the reason why I got the Nest over the Ring right there. Love it. Hey Google. Stop. Brilliant. Let me see if it works on here. Hey Google. Show me my front door on the Sony A8F.
Sorry, I don't know where to play the video. Please tell me the exact name of the screen.
Okay, let's try this again. Hey Google. Show me the front door on the Sony TV.
And to me, it's almost inedible.
Got it. Streaming the front door on Sony TV.
Please look normal and not garbled. Alright, there's a problem, guys. Sony TV does not work well with the Nest. Not sure what's going on, but that's ugly. Oh well. Hey Google. Stop. Yuck.
Worthy of being on the menu right now.
Pause this guy right here. So that's unfortunate, guys. Hopefully some kind of software update happens, or I don't know what happens, but that sucks. It is 11:13 p.m. on December 29th. All is well here. All right, guys, so this will be my last video for this year, 2018. Just wanted to thank everybody for a wonderful year of videos, and all the subscribers, and everybody to follow me on my channel of Rafcave Glory. Yeah, appreciate all the comments and likes, and keeping me going, and with all the great comments and all that good stuff, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful new year. To a brand new year coming up, 2019. It's going to be nuts. With all the cool stuff coming out, movies and games. Oh man, I can't wait. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to sign off. I'm enjoying the Nest. Hope you guys do too. If you want to pick one up, I highly suggest it. Definitely better than Ring. And I did subscribe to the $50 for 1 year, 24/7 support of video on that device. Can't wait to do that time-lapse stuff. All right, guys. Thanks again. This is Raf in the Raf Cave signing off. 2018. I'll see you next year, guys. Score.